Hi there, I'm Ryan, one of the product managers here, and I want to go through this new Quartermaster reverse mount bell housing package that we're carrying. A lot of manufacturers are offering combination fuel pump and power steering pump assemblies, whether it be KRC, KSE, and Suite. So that's becoming really, really popular, and we wanted a turnkey bell housing package to fit those applications where a customer is using a 10-spline input shaft internal clutch transmission. So whether that be a Bert, Brinn, or Falcon transmission, this whole package will fit those applications and allow you to mount your power steering pump and fuel pump off the back. So kind of let's start from the top down here. What we've got is the magnesium Quartermaster bell housing, which has been out for quite some time. It's a really nice design product, really lightweight. It has a top mount power steering option or a top mount bracket, so you can mount it there, or what makes it really nice and universal down the road is it also has a side mount option as well, and you can get different brackets. This package specifically comes with that pump mount for KRC, KSE, and Suite pumps, so it's all ready to go for those. You take in that basically bolts on, and what makes this a little different than some of the other bell housings out there is it's set up and it actually has a spacer that goes between your bell housing bolt and the power steering fuel pump mount. So it ties it in really good, because on a dirt car, a lot of times you're going through holes or the track is rough, and if it were just hanging out there by itself, there's a fair amount of weight with those pumps, with the fluid and the hoses and everything, so that'll tend to flex and it ends up cracking it. So with this, it's a lot better design and it tends to last a lot longer. And then this bell housing is really nice and lightweight, has some really good ribs built in it, so durability plus weight savings all in one unit. And the nice thing about this setup that differs from some of the other ones out there too, it actually uses a one-piece flywheel that's 91 tooth, and it doesn't use an idler gear assembly. So what does that mean? The starter ring gear is, or the starter pinion is actually engaging directly into the ring gear, so you don't have an additional idler assembly. So that saves some weight, some maintenance, and it actually lasts a little bit longer because you don't have to worry about that idler gear engaging into the flywheel and the starter. The starter is going directly into the flywheel, so just a way nicer setup. But what that does though, when you have that setup, you actually have to have the starter turn reverse rotation. It can't turn the same direction. So Quartermaster has this reverse rotation starter, and their starters all actually come with a dyno sheet. So you actually have a little bit more information on the horsepower, the torque capability. So that's just really, really nice. A lot of manufacturers don't do that, so that's one good upgrade. This whole package is ready to bolt on. It comes with a starter adapter, the starter, the ring gear bolts, the top mount, the spacer, and then their flywheel. Again, it's 91 tooth, set up for 10 spline input on the transmission, 22 tooth outer HTD drive to drive your power steering fuel pump combination. So really nice setup. If you guys want more information or you'd like to order this, you can hop on priceguidepro.com.